Hi guys, welcome to our channel. So आजको वेदर इज
घाम लागेको होइन यो फगी हो पछाडि चाहिँ देख्नुहुन्छ त्यो फगी हो हाम्रो कोइसङमा हाम्रो वेदर यस्तै हुन्छ हो अब हामीलाई त्यो सधैँकै हो हामीलाई यो बानी भइसक्यो
आजको हाम्रो टपिक चाहिँ हो
we are talking about like about Pride Month. Like I don't know how many people like by now everybody should be aware of what Pride Month is. So June ko chekma chai like June the entire month is dedicated for this LGBTQ community, and that is a really good gesture for people to come across and see like this is what we dedicated to you. Actually it's a good thing, but I also feel like त्यो डल्लै डेडिकेट गर्नुभन्दा चाहिँ एक्सेप्ट इट नो बिकज अहिले पनि वी हेभ सीन लाइक पिपल हु आर लाइक क्रिन्ज अन द टर्म अफ आई एम गे इफ समन इज कमिङ आउट एज गे और बाइसेक्सुअल और इवन लेस्बियन लाइक देयर आर पिपल हु क्रिन्ज क्या इवन माई फ्रेन्ड्स आई हेभ सम फ्रेन्ड्स हु आर रियली क्लोज एन्ड इवन दे आर लाइक अझै गे रहेछ अझै उयो रहेछ लेस्बियन रहेछ अझै बाइसेक्सुअल रहेछ आई मिन देयर इज नथिङ टु बी अची अबाउट इट्स जस्ट लाइक यु बिङ अ बोय इफ यु लाइक अ गर्ल. It's the same thing. It's just like a girl liking a girl or a boy liking a boy, or if a person individual liking both the genders. So yeah, it's the same. So that is totally very unacceptable thing to not accept someone else's preference on something, because अब मान्छे भएर सबैले एक्सेप्ट गर्न सिक्नुपर्छ.
या किनभने सबैजनालाई लाइक एभ्रीवान डिजर्भ्स टु अब रेस्पेक्टफुली अब एउटा सोसाइटीमा जिउने सबैलाई अधिकार हुन्छ. सो एभ्रीवान सुड बी रेस्पेक्टेड इक्वली इरेस्पेक्टिभ अफ जेन्डर होइन. उसले जुनै जेन्डरको भएर पनि अब उसले केही राम्रो काम गर्नु खोज्दैछ भने एभ्रीवान सुड अप्रिसिएट इट एन्ड सपोर्ट गर्नुपर्छ.
जस्ट टकिङ अबाउट प्राइड मन्थ लाइक इट्स अ भेरी गुड थिङ लाइक इनिसिएट भएको छ. कहिले इनिसिएट भएको हो आई डोन्ट नो तर होइन वी जस्ट नो लाइक जुन चाहिँ अब इट्स डेडिकेटेड to the LGBTQ community, and I think it's a very good gesture. Like whoever started it or jaile start bhako pani mo, we did not do our research, don't hate on us. Nobody talks about it. Like even if a person is like belonging to that community, even that person is scared till this day to come out and say like okay fine, this is what I prefer, this is my sexual preferences, this is my sexual identity, but nobody is like, they're still in the fear of, what do you call it, they are still denying it. At some point yeah, there are people who still deny it, like they do feel something different but still they deny it
because they are scared that
society won't accept and them. This is not their fault, this is because of the society that we have built up, because we cannot blame somebody else. Like this is the society, we are the society. What are you saying? You're looking at the mirror and you're saying toyo
because that's what people will see differently on them, no, like
अब हाम्रै अब अहिले हाम्रै घरतिर अब त्यस्तो केही भयो भने इट विल बी हार्ड क्या अब एक्सेप्ट गर्नु घरको मान्छेलाई कि ए यो त
hardly anybody supports.
या अब त्यो फ्यामिलीमा
forget about supporting, they call it उयो पो त बढ्दै गरेको उयो यो फेज हो, पढ लागेको हटाउँछ
कि चाहिँ अब यो के भन्छ उयो लाज नभना घरको मान्छेको नाक नकाट हो, द्याट अल त्यो कुरो आउँछ क्या फ्यामिलीमा.
Just like June हो, Pride Month हो, like everybody is talking about it, because right now even in Darjeeling like there are people who are belonging to this community and who are like very, you know, coming out in public and accepting their identity, which is very brave of them. And I don't know like what it took for them to be like, you know, to go out and say like this is me, this is who I am, if you want to accept me, or else like I'm gonna go my way. That is how it should be, because if someone is feeling something, you should not go and, you know, you should not suppress. If you are gay, if you are lesbian, if you are bisexual, if you are pansexual, if you are queer, if you are transgender, nobody cares. Like it is your life, do whatever you want to. And yeah, if you like someone despite of their gender, say I love you. Say I love you. Nobody said that to me till now, but still nobody. I'm not saying just go and randomly say I love you to anybody. Consent matters in a fact, but like I'm just saying like it's a good thing, it's a very brave thing to come out as a part of this community. and which actually, if you give it a second thought, it should not be that difficult. Because if I, being a girl, if I say like I like a if I like a boy, but I don't think so, like my parents will still accept it. I'll still be disowned, I'll still be thrown out from my entire property.
मुश्किल
बहुत मुश्किल है oh. I'll be homeless the very next day oh. But like, see, this is the society we are talking about. त्यस्तो त हो त अन्त, like I'm 24, come on guys, I should be married by now. अब त्यस्तै हो, अब सोसाइटी नै त्यस्तै छ, अब हुर्केको नै त्यस्तै हो, तर अब
yes one
We
more
can't
thing like,
change their mentality.
अनन्दिताको डिक्सनरी खोल्यो.
Yeah, come on.
no like we live in a society हैन जहाँ चाहिँ अब we need to think हैन सुन्दैछ होला के भन्छ लाइक हुन्छ नि अब के ला यो मान्छेले के सोच्छ होला मैले यो स्टेप लियो भने अब त्यो सोचेर हिँड्नुपर्छ हामी चाहिँ लाइक हुन्छ नि लाइक खुलेर
हामी लाइक अब नट त्यो अरू जेन्डर पनि अब यो सिम्पली मेल फिमेल
Male, female को पनि
फिमेललाई त अलिकति भए पनि छुट छ हैन तर मोस्टली हामी
गर्ल्स लाइक अलिकति काहीँ जाउँ भन्यो भने या फिर
अलिकति घर ढिलो आयो भने घरको आमा बाउले केही नभने पनि we have so many around.
There are people
around
like,
us watching.
बुरी देख्यो. Like if I wear a crop tee, like come on, I'm working out. I'm trying to make abs since last 1 year. आको छैन त्यो अर्कै कुरा हो. अब
नै आको छ
त्यो देखाउँदिन
कसको
तपाईहरुलाई.
चाहिँ आएको छैन
त्यो देखाउँदिन.
सिक्स प्याक त हैन फ्यामिली प्याक चाहिँ हो त साम्रो छ
जति एक्सरसाइज गर्ने
त्यति निस्किँदैछ फ्यामिली प्याक नो वी आर आउट अफ टपिक
I know, but like it's just a fun video. It's just like a video trying to appreciate and trying to acknowledge that people from a different community. Actually, it should not be different. Pardon me for my word that I'm using, different, but it should not be different. Actually, they are humans like us, and it's their preference, it's their personal choices, and I don't think so. Nobody should be able to question that. Yeah.
हैन लाइक इट्स लाइक त्यही हो अब मान्छे इट्स देयर चोइसेस हैन उनीहरूको लाइफ उनीहरूको चोइसेस नो वान हेभ राइट कि तो यो हु यु क्यान्ट फोर्स समवान टु बी समवान एल्स उनीहरू जे हो त्यो अब त्यो नहु भनेर अब अर्कै कुरो हो भने आलुलाई आलु नभएर प्याज हो भने
You cannot force anybody to be someone else. If that is the identity, if that is how they embrace themselves, then let them be. If it is not, and this is to the society, this is to the aunties, this is to the uncles, this is to the friends and family who's not accepting them, who's giving them a hard time, I'll come for you guys. No, I want. I'm just joking. Acceptance is the key to happiness.
Yeah.
all that matters is love
हामी छतमा थिए मेरो घरमा सो पानी पर्यो हो सो हामी भित्र आए अहिले हामी हाम्रो घरको सिटिङ रुममा छ तपाईले देखिरहनु भएको छ होला सो त्यसलाई भन्छ एन्ड भर्खर युट्युब चलाउन सिकेको भनेर सो अब भन्नुको चाहिँ त्यति हो कि दिस एन्टायर भिडियो वाज लाइक वी वर ट्राइङ टु जस्ट से सम अप गरे भने एक्सेप्ट द वे यु आर फर योरसेल्फ नट फर एनीबडी एल्स चाहे जोसुकै होस् त्यो मान्छे आई नो पिपल आर भेरी इम्पोर्टेन्ट फ्यामिली इज इम्पोर्टेन्ट बट
फ्यामिलीको लागि पनि यो चाहिँ अब सानो मेसेज हो कि डु एक्सेप्ट योर किड्स द वे दे आर हैन अब किड्स सबैजनाले अब किनभने जहिले पनि आमा बाउले आफ्नो छोराछोरीको खुसी म्याटर गर्छ हैन सो यु हेभ टु एक्सेप्ट
उनीहरूको छोराछोरी त्यो अर्कै पाराले निस्किन्छ भनेर त सोच्नु भएन हैन अब
and the thing that we say orke para is also so weird no because like the society has made us to believe that it is so like
they are different from us.
Yeah, they're different from us.
No,
one guy has to get married to another girl, a girl has to get married to and the only love that can happen is between a guy and a girl. Yeah, so like it's not necessary for a person to, you know, be attracted or to feel that connection towards other person of that other gender only. Like it can be like, you know, if I am a girl, like I am a girl, not if I am a girl and getting attracted towards a girl, it can happen and that will be my preference, that will be my sexual choice. Nobody can come and tell me like no, this is wrong.
And yes, jo abo kasaile if you can't accept or can't support उनीहरुलाई disrespect गरेर hurt पनि नगर्नु हैन.
You don't have the right to disrespect anyone.
If
you don't have the right to disrespect anyone.
If you can't respect them, you
just move on.
Just go.
Just के भन्छ
PWD ले बाटो बनाइदिन्छ बाटोमा हिँड्दा हुन्छ
आफ्नो बाटो लाग हैन. So don't just disrespect them.
One thing that I want to say, like Pride Month should not be like, it is being celebrated for a month, and which is very good, very great of everybody, whoever is contributing to it, whoever has that acceptance. Yeah, this is a good start towards a good society, a developing society, or a a very happy society. We can say, we can see it in future. But what I want to say is like I hope it's not just for a month that people are trying to accept it. People are trying to embrace it. People are wearing that pride colors and walking over. I hope like everybody around our area, everybody in the world, they trying to accept it for the entire year, for the entire lives.
And let's accept everyone and make this world a happier place. So happy Pride Month. Okay, that's it for today's video.
Bye bye.
Bye bye. Do like, comment.
म करोडपति भए मेरो घरमा यो यस्तो उयो क्यालेन्डर हुँदैन थियो सुनको राख्थे म सुनको क्यालेन्डर राख्थे
करोडपति पैसा. Please, okay, so like, comment, share, and subscribe. Bye bye.